Monica, please don't get me. Spud Monkey, stay away from the power button.
Warning. There are some valid tones in this video, so don't play these on the air, as doing so could get you in trouble. This video also contains scary and loud noises. All copyrighted material belong to their original owners. This is also based off of one of my creepypastas.
This is WIBC on 93.1 FM serving the Indianapolis area. Today, there will be some events at Greenwood Park Mall. There will be a sale on all WarioWare games for 25% off. There will also be a potluck and a performance of Ashley's song at 2 p.m. by Ashley herself. We hope you had fun today.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for Indianapolis and surrounding areas. There have been strange packages showing up at people's homes when they didn't order anything. They appear to be small boxes. The contents are unknown at this time, but do not open these boxes, because it could contain something harmful. They also have no stamps or stickers on them. If you have any info on what's in the boxes, report to the police. Normal programming will return.
I wonder what's in these boxes. It can't be that bad, right? Oh, it's just a copy of WarioWare Smooth Moves. I shall report this to the police.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The boxes were confirmed safe to be opened. They contained a copy of WarioWare Smooth Moves. The person responsible for the deliveries cannot be confirmed at this time. Door cameras are unable to catch the suspect, as they only show the package being thrown onto the porch. Other cameras pointing to the angle of the mysterious person quit working and don't pick up any footage of them. If you have any information about the mysterious person, call 911. We will go back to normal programming.
Well, that was strange. The title was "You Will Pay." Wario kidnapped my me. My me was held hostage. The icons were angry. The cheerleaders were angry. The number in Mona's stage was wrong, and one of the cheerleaders had a knife. I have to report these bootleg copies to the police.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The copies of WarioWare Smooth Moves that were in the packages were confirmed to be modified copies. Evidence is the title being "You Will Pay," angry icons, disturbing content, blood, and more. A citizen by the name of James Danderson was the first to report this. Do not play these modified copies, as people also have claimed that you were not able to exit the game, turn off the Wii or TV, or unplug the Wii or TV, as doing so will get you jump scared with a scary image of Wario.
Breaking news. The deliveries of the modified copies of WarioWare Smooth Moves have spread across the Mideast United States. They were reported in Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Lower Michigan, and Kentucky. These modified copies were reported disturbing and contained graphic content such as Mii's being tortured, Cat and Anna cutting up a monster and eating it, young Cricket smashing people's heads with his feet, and the cats in Jimmy 2's stage falling and blood splattering out of the hole. These copies were reported to jump scare you when trying to quit the game in any way. Be safe and do not play these copies.
Why is the screen so dark? I can't see anything. What am I supposed to do here? I can't see it. Well, that was creepy. Glad it's over now. Oh my God. That caught me off guard. No. That was my Wii I had since 2008. Wario. Is that you?
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for Indianapolis and surrounding areas. There was an entity reported going around killing people. It represented Wario in his biker outfit but with red eyes, sharp claws, and a knife covered in blood. Wario was last seen roaming the streets of Indianapolis. Please get to your homes immediately because Wario is dangerous and will kill you. The performance at Greenwood Park Mall will be cancelled due to this. If you see Wario in your location, call 911.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. There was a dangerous person reported in the suburbs of Louisville. The person named Mona was described as a girl with red eyes, orange hair, a blue cheerleader outfit, and a cheerleader staff covered in blood. She was reported to stab holes in people with her staff, or beat them to death with her staff. Avoid being caught by Mona, or you will get yourself injured or likely killed. Mona can also use her staff to smash through windows to break in and kill people inside. Please head home to your basement or any room with no windows and lock the door. If Mona has broke into your house, call 911. Stay tuned to commercial outlets or news broadcasts for the latest information about this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. The situation in Indiana about the deliveries has gotten worse. They were reported in Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, Wisconsin, Missouri, Iowa, Minnesota, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, West Virginia, Maryland, New Jersey, Delaware, New York, Vermont, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Maine, Manitoba, Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Florida, Tamaulipas, Nuevo Leon, Coahuila, the Bahamas, and Cuba. There were also entities reported in Indianapolis and Louisville. They were reported to be dangerous and armed and resembled Wario and Mona from WarioWare. The suspect behind the deliveries was found out to be Wario. An emergency alert is coming over the line, so stand by.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Cincinnati Police Department. 2 girls were reported killing people. The first girl, named Kat, is 6 years old, pink hair, a ponytail that stands up, red eyes, a ninja outfit, and is armed with a katana. The second girl, named Anna, is 5 years old, orange hair, 2 ponytails that stand up, red eyes, a ninja outfit, and is armed with a katana and shurikens. They also have the power to shapeshift. Kat can shapeshift into a rabbit and Anna can shapeshift into a tortoise. If you see a rabbit or tortoise in an unusual spot, call 911 because that's Kat or Anna. Kat and Anna use this to deceive people and take them in, allowing Kat or Anna to kill that person. Kat stabs people with her katana, so does Anna. Anna throws her shurikens at people to weaken them so she can kill them easier. Stay tuned to commercial outlets or news broadcasts for the latest information about this developing situation.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Bloomington Police Department. 2 entities were reported in the streets of Bloomington. The first entity, named Young Cricket, has black hair, red eyes, blue clothes, blue shoes, and blood on his clothes and chin. The second entity, named Master Mantis, has gray hair, red eyes, a mustache, a purple robe, and purple shoes. Young Cricket either beats people to death, scratches people, or eats people alive. Master Mantis beats people with his nunchucks. Master Mantis can break windows with his nunchucks and Young Cricket can tear down doors with his claws. If evacuation is needed, evacuation routes will be set up on Interstate 39 and Interstate 55. Young Cricket can run at speeds of 30 miles per hour. Stay tuned for further information.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Lansing Police Department. There are two people causing chaos. The first person, named Jimmy T, has blue hair, white skin, cracked sunglasses, an eighth note-shaped mustache, a red jacket, white pants, and blue shoes. Jimmy T controls a horde of cats to kill and cause chaos. The second person, named Jimmy P, has yellow hair, tan skin, cracked sunglasses, a similar mustache to Jimmy T, blue jacket, white pants, and blue shoes. Jimmy P controls a horde of dogs to kill people and cause chaos. These cats and dogs can alert Jimmy T and Jimmy P on where someone is. The cats and dogs can also open doors and windows, so lock your doors and windows and hide in a room with no windows or a basement. Jimmy T and Jimmy P also have a disco ball to smash windows and doors. They also use their disco balls to kill people. Stay tuned to commercial outlets and news broadcasts for the latest information about this developing situation.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. Young Cricket had gotten insanely strong. He can run at up to 72 miles per hour, tear down vehicles, smash through objects, and has razor-sharp claws and teeth. This happened because Master Mantis fed Young Cricket dumplings made of human meat. Young Cricket is extremely dangerous now. If you are in the Bloomington Normal metropolitan area, evacuate immediately as your life is in danger. Evacuation routes have been set up on Interstate 74 and Interstate 55. Young Cricket is also multiplying at a deadly rate to spread chaos all over Illinois and possibly destroy Illinois. If you are not in the Bloomington Normal metropolitan area, leave the state now as Young Cricket's clones can kill you. Normal programming will be off the air.
Cricket Crush!
Ah!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, northern Indiana, and parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, Ohio, and Missouri. A really powerful storm has formed and is likely to kill you. This storm was not naturally made but made by a new entity in Toronto. They were described as a teenage girl with black hair, pigtails, an orange crown, red eyes, red dress with an orange scarf, a staff covered in blood, black thigh-high socks, and red Mary Janes with an orange strap. This storm has speeds of up to 168 miles per hour, hail the size of a basketball, 5 inches of rain, and a high possibility of tornadoes. Houses, trees, vehicles, and other structures and plants will be knocked down. Hail is deadly to those caught without shelter, and tornadoes are likely to be powerful. We pray for everyone caught in the storm.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Manitoba, Ontario, and parts of Saskatchewan and Quebec. A really powerful storm has formed and is likely to kill you. This storm was not naturally made but made by a new entity in Toronto. They were described as a teenage girl with black hair, pigtails, an orange crown, red eyes, red dress with an orange scarf, a staff covered in blood, black thigh-high socks, and red Mary Janes with an orange strap. This storm has speeds of up to 270 kilometers per hour, hail the size of a basketball, 127 millimeters of rain, and a high possibility of tornadoes. Houses, trees, vehicles, and other structures and plants will be knocked down. Hail is deadly to those caught without shelter, and tornadoes are likely to be powerful. We pray for everyone caught in the storm.
El siguiente mensaje se transmite a petición del Departamento de Policía de Monterrey. Dos criaturas conducen un taxi a velocidades peligrosas por Monterrey. La primera es un bulldog humanoide con ojos rojos, un traje azul y está cubierta de sangre. La segunda es un gato humanoide amarillo con gafas, ojos cosidos y un traje azul cubierto de sangre. El taxi está cubierto de sangre y trozos de carne. Es muy resistente y puede atravesar un edificio sin problemas. Las criaturas que conducen el taxi pueden alcanzar velocidades de hasta 400 km por hora, por lo que escapar de ellas es casi imposible. Manténgase fuera de su vista o lo matarán.
El siguiente mensaje se transmite a petición del Departamento de Policía de La Habana. Numerosas personas han desaparecido en La Habana. Se estima que 57 personas han desaparecido en las últimas horas. Una camioneta ha estado circulando con la inscripción "Cigarros gratis" pintada en rojo, intentando atraer a la gente. Se desconoce la identidad del conductor, pero esta es la única pista que tenemos para encontrar a las personas desaparecidas. Las autoridades están tratando de localizar a este individuo. Para evitar ser secuestrado, no se acerque a la camioneta, ya que podría ser secuestrado y desaparecer. Manténgase informado para obtener más información sobre esta peligrosa situación.
Hello?
Hey Penny. Do you know what to do with those people you caught?
Return them. I don't know why you made me do it.
No, you kind-hearted nerd. I want you to experiment on them.
No. That's cruel. Why would I want to do that? I'm going home and releasing these innocent people.
Important instructions will follow. Please stand by for an important message delivered by the government. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. This is a national level emergency. All stations will be playing this message. There was a boy with a yellow hard hat with a green visor, red shirt, green cape, red gloves, green pants, and red boots reported with a glowing GameCube in Los Angeles spawning giant versions of Nintendo characters. These characters include Mario, Luigi, Bowser, Peach, Daisy, Waluigi, Link, Zelda, Donkey Kong, Diddy Kong, King K. Rool, Kirby, King Dedede, Meta Knight, Samus, Ridley, Fox, Falco, Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Squirtle, Ivysaur, Snorlax, Charizard, Yoshi, Ness, Captain Falcon, NEWTWO, Pit, Inkling, Olimar, and Rajalina. They were reported attacking Washington, Oregon, California, Arizona, New Mexico, Nevada, Utah, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota. These characters are extremely dangerous and will attack anyone in their sight. Pit and Meta Knight can use their wings to fly over to other countries. Ness and Charizard can start wildfires. These characters can also step over the Mississippi River and reach the East United States. The kid with the GameCube, identified as 9 Bold, is spawning more characters by the second. He has also spawned Bowser Jr., Palutena, Springman, Min Min, Shuck, Greninja, Incineroar, Ganondorf, Ice Climbers, and more. The final broadcast will play. We will see each other in heaven.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. All clear. I repeat. All clear. A girl with orange hair, a heart hairpin, round glasses, pink jacket, black shirt, black pants, and pink boots has launched a bomb to wipe out the evil characters, the clones, the storm, and the entities. Thanks to her, North America and the rest of the world was saved. Sadly, Illinois is now abandoned due to the clones of young cricket. Wisconsin, Michigan, and Minnesota have also been abandoned as they were fully destroyed by the giant storm. We will return to normal programming.